My dumb ass wasn't even recording.
Why the funny voice?
Hi everybody, this is Rudy from Buzz Lightning. Today we're going to be installing a microwave that is faulty. From when you open the door, it will not turn off. I believe this is a potential fire hazard, so we're going to be replacing the built-in microwave with a brand new microwave that is already in process. We're about to reconnect the venting system, which is an adapter for a counter microwave. Stay tuned.
Hey guys, so today we're going to put this vent on these two holes and here too. So all we're just going to need some 4 screws and just place this bad boy and it'll be done real quick.
What is that part called?
It's called a vent. It helps block some of the heat as well, so you don't have radiation on your face. It's pretty dangerous.
Okay, thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Carvel and Avon is installing the bracket that will secure the microwave. And also, if you notice, there's a couple of vent holes right here. 1, 2, and 3. If you don't have this installed, you can cause your microwave to explode and cause a whole lot of damage. Next step is we're going to be putting the vent cover back onto the microwave. As you can see, Carvel's holding in his hand. And there's 2 screws that as you open the microwave door, there's 2 screws that need to be lined up at the top and at the bottom. You'll need a ladder to see it, Carvel. Lady, this is Buzz Lightning with the complete new installed microwave and with all its protective equipment around it. Stay tuned for our next project.